How to find mantis? First, look at in your garden. Second, find in the stems or leaves. Find one. Oh, look at this. Pregnantis. I'm just joking, guys. That's mine mantis. That is mine. I'll get it in my school. But if you wanna get a mantis in your garden, first check in the you have a long flowers like this. You can find a mantis. And you can find there in the jungle, there. But it's so many grass. Just like a long grass, there's a mantis there, or flowers. Thank you guys. Bye. Like and subscribe for more videos.